How was it out there, Annabelle?
Oh, that was so much fun. I really had no idea where I was going, so just lucky I had this amazing prone guy in front of me, but I think we probably could have gotten away with going inside closer to the coast. We ended up making the call to go straight through the kelp bed. So, as always, you learn every time you go out there, but you know, the best coastline around the world, and yeah, oh my god, another one for the girls!
Yeah, and how were the conditions overall for out there? How were the conditions?
Do you know what? They really came up. You can never change the conditions, and it's not dissimilar to stuff that I'm in a lot of the time, and especially in New Zealand. There's a lot of quartering, so you really had to play it smart today and pick a good line and really read the ocean and work with the ocean. If you were fighting it, you were going to pay. So I don't know, you just appreciate it when it goes well, and yeah, it's so amazing to be here in Malibu.
What board were you riding today?
I actually had a flat water board today. I was down with the North County paddlers for a couple of days with Brian Zemansky, and I was like, you better take a board with you, you better have something to ride, because I've only got my surfboards with me. And yeah, we grabbed something out of the shop, and just normal 12.6 by 25-inch wide sprint flat water board that you go and pick off the rack of a shop. So yet again, I am lucky to be able to pick up gear where I go, and yeah, just it was awesome, an amazing week, and even better to have the chance to be here in Malibu, totally unexpected, and just another cog in the wheel, you know, cog in the journey of moving up the coast again.
Well, congratulations, Annabelle.
Thank you.